Hey, Welsh Dragon Metals here. Today I'll be making two different types of split rings from e-waste copper. Here we have a vintage style flattened anvil worked split rings, many as you can see, and the standard type from bright copper. Is the anvil that I've been working them on. You can see the difference between the normal kind and the kind that's been worked. One looks sort of gold, while the other looks like copper. So all the tools I'll be using. Take a little while. Got a good angle on this. E-waste copper. Oh, I'm using this stuff. It's a bit more shiny. This stuff is tarnished since it's been on the reel for quite a long time. First off, I'll show how to make a split ring from this. Got a bit of copper there. This is a wire bending tool. It's quite thick, this copper. This takes a little bit of working. Looks odd at the moment, that's why you need a pair of pliers to straighten it up. Should cut that more at that angle though. Don't want it being too sharp. Better. And this can be filed a little bit to make it a little bit more even. So there's one split ring completed, and that's the standard round type. As you can see, quite shiny. Got another one there, but I will work that one now that I just made. And that other one. Lots of tapping gonna happen right now. The reason I'm using this small watchmaker's hammer is because it gives me much more control. Doesn't take too much. It's quite soft metal. Jumped off there. That one's done. So it looks like a horseshoe. Close it up now very carefully. Give it a little bit of a crimp. And there's one split ring made. That's the sort of vintage style version. Make another one. All of the split ring I had on there. So I have a little pair. And that'll be how to make the split rings. Two different types. Standard and vintage looking retro ones. So I'll do both sides, otherwise it'll all be one-sided. Make sure it's nice and even. I can do this with my eyesight, but some people might need magnification. Done. Close that one up. Better to do it slower, as you can warp the new metal that has just been hammered, as it is a little bit warm from all the friction, which makes it very slightly more malleable. All done on them two retro split rings. Let's have a little look, as well as one of the standards. Here's the two that I just made. Get my camera to focus. No, yep, there we go. As you can see, they're quite nice and give a different look and feel compared to your standard ones, as these look more worked and more retro looking. Hope you agree. And anyway, that's how to make split rings. Two different styles. Well, till next time.